You can import recipients by uploading a CSV file. Use this method when importing multiple recipients, especially if there are hundreds or thousands. In the Recipients tab of a project or on the address book page, click the Import button. Next, click the Upload from CSV button. Be sure your CSV file uses the exact same headers as our sample CSV file. Download that first to grab the first row. Also be sure you have data filled in for all the required columns, listed in red. Click Choose File and then browse to the CSV file you want to import. Click Submit. When you click Submit, it will show the spreadsheet with the rows that will be imported highlighted in green. Any rows in red will not be imported. This is usually due to missing required information. You can download those failed rows and try to correct them later.